Hey guys, it's Megan from JaMonkey.com, and I've been a huge fan of the Kiwi crate for a long time, and they now have a new box that I'm excited to check out. This is from KiwiCo. This is the new Yummy crate. So some of the crates that we've done in the past, we've done things like crafts and tinkering and all sorts of stuff. So there's a lot of STEM focused, and I love the do-it-yourself ones. But this is the first time that they've come out with a food focused one. So I'm excited to check it out with you today. Alright, so this set is called the Tasty and Toasty one, browned burgers and more diner delights. And the Yummy box is for ages 6 and up. Yummy Crate is the newest addition to the subscription line. There are 9 total from KiwiCo, and it's designed to foster a love for science and cooking in kids ages 6 to 14. It comes with recipes and activities to explore hands-on experimentation inside and outside the kitchen. Inside each of the KiwiCo Yummy Crates, you'll find 3 recipe cards over here. It's the portfolio of the recipe cards that you can save for later. There are STEM activities, 2 hands-on projects for more creative fun and learning, and then the Yummy Zine, which is the kid-friendly science, comics, history, and fun facts about food. And in this one, we've got the Maillard reaction. And then there's a grown-ups guide to help you make the most out of your box and make sure that you get everything you need to fulfill pretty much everything in the box. In most of their boxes that they come with, you will have everything you need to make what essentially is the activity in the box. Now the Yummy Crate is a little different because you're gonna need to buy ingredients for it. So a lot of the stuff that you're going to get is mostly instructions, but a handful of tools that will also make making the recipe a lot easier for kids. So here we have the Tasty and Toasty packet. So let's see what's inside here. So it looks like we've got some cute recipe cards. We've got the browned burgers. I'm just gonna slip all of these out here so you can see them. We've got browned burgers. I love that they kind of like put a little face on it. That's really cute. Makes 4 to 6 servings. It shows you the prep time. And then the difficulty level, this is a medium one. It's going to involve stovetop and knife skills. All important in terms of teaching kids. So first thing off the back, I love how visual all of this is. So, and then it also has the list of checklists so that you can get. So gather your tools. So there's a lot of standard ones in here, and then you'll notice that there are some that are marked with an X, and this is the one that's going to be included in the box. So for this one, they included a burger press, and it says included in crate. So here it is. Cute little burger press. Make it easy to make burger patties, perfectly sized. Very cute. So we also got chicken tenders and then smashed potatoes. Also like super kid-friendly recipes also, right? Like all the kids love hamburgers and stuff. Okay, so dear grown-up sous chef parents, in this crate, your young head chef will discover the Maillard reaction, the chemistry behind flavorful browning by making seared burgers, crumb-coated chicken, and crispy potatoes. This is kind of the parents' list of everything you will need to get at the store. This is cute. So this is a design the cover. So it comes with this cute little chef's menu in here also. So we've got a dry erase pencil and some markers, and then we've got the dinner menu cards that you can use, special for the day, and they can write out their burgers and whatnot onto it and color it to make it look super cute. All right, let's see what else we have. Explore browning dough. Add a wash to to dough before baking, which pH wash makes for the fastest browning. So it's definitely doing a focus of, you know, the chemistry of baking and things like that. So we've got the what turns bread brown as it bakes, the Maillard reaction, all sorts of different interesting focuses in terms of, you know, cooking and the science behind cooking, because it really is. It's chemistry. So, and then there's a little yummy zine all about the Maillard reaction. So a cool education guide that will teach them about different things, and it uses fun characters to explain this method and the source. So very cool. I love the science reaction to it and how they've really put a focus on it. So very cool new box. I'm loving that. As I mentioned, there's normally a lot more in some of these other boxes, but my kids love to cook. So learning about, you know, the Maillard reaction and things like that is something that I think will take their love for cooking to the next level. So very cool from Yummy Crate. I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can get the Yummy box or the Yummy Crate, and then also check out some of their other crates. We've done some videos in the past with some of their other crates, and I'll leave links for those as well. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and check out my website, JaMonkey.com.